Okay, so we're back to work on the trailer here. Been 2 days since I was out here trying to weld in the rain and kill myself. God had a funny way of making me knock that crap off. First he threw the breaker, but I was not deterred. So then he made my welder just conveniently be out of wire. But I've got the jack set in here now. I polished this the other day. It's got a little bit of surface rust on it, but it's fine. It's not deep rust, it's just from humidity. I've got a good long length across the back here to lay a bead. I've got this corner here to work on. Got this back corner, and then I've got up around this front tip. And I'm gonna just do, you know, a bead around and then clean it, and I'm just gonna keep wrapping on it. So not gonna be all that exciting, I don't believe, but let's see. Hey guys. Is it really? Where? Oh no, the mud fixed that, buddy. The mud fixes the blood. It's okay. I need you guys to go play down there because this light is really, really bright. It'll make you go blind, okay? So you can't watch. Do not look at my bright light. Okay. Let's see. You guys can look at my bright light because through the camera it won't blind you, but in person, in real life, it can. So, I'm going to start with first figuring out the best way to make contact with it. That looks pretty good. The gap's not as clean as I thought it was, but it'll work. This jack doesn't hold that much weight. Alright, it's been like 2 or 3 years since I welded. Yes, I know I'm short sleeved. I'm going to get some tacks on and then I'll put a coat on once I get established. So, y'all don't be judging. Let's see how this goes. I'm never claiming to be an expert. My wire speed's still set super high. Let's turn that down. Let's see how this does. I think that's still too high. A little bit of bird crap on there. I don't know that I'm actually really getting any decent penetration with it. Can't expect much out of this welder, honestly. That's why, like I said, I'm really just trying to build up material here for right now. Oh yeah, we'll get there. Oh yeah, that's good. Getting a good slug built right along the back here. That's exactly what I want. Get a slug built up and then I'll put a bead on the side of the slug. Alright, well, Like I said, I never claimed to be a professional welder or fabricator, but I got some pretty thick goo on the back there. I made a first pass along the frame of the trailer, actually, not really welding to the bracket at all, just to try to get that metal good and hot, because again, with these little 110 MIGs, it's really hard to get good penetration. So got a bead laid down on the trailer itself, and then came back across the top of it with a secondary bead to connect them. Yes, ma'am.
Can I go in the trailer?
Yeah, if you can get in there, climb up on the tire on the fender, and then you can get in. So anyway, I got a big main one across the back there, and then I just tacked some stuff around the front nose. Got a little bit more back there on the corner.